Do you use a hip adduction machine when you exercise? This is one of the most effective ways of strengthening your inner thigh muscles. But what do you need to keep in mind to make sure that this machine is as effective as possible? Hey, welcome back everybody to this week's episode of Trainer Tip Tuesday. Now, all month long, we're going to be talking about the hip adduction machine. When it comes to strengthening your inner thigh muscles, there really is no substitute for using this machine. But what do you need to keep in mind to make sure that using this machine is as effective as it can be? Check out this week's tip to learn.
This week we're going to be talking about where to put your force when you're doing the hip adduction machine to make sure you're highlighting the adductors appropriately. Now Charlie's all ready to do the hip adduction and he's going to be using the cues that we've used in the last 2 weeks. Now the next thing with hip adduction machines is that you're going to feel your body contacting the leg inputs in 2 spots. First your inner thigh and second on your foot. I see a lot of my clients make the mistake by shoving through their feet and trying to bring the machine together by using their feet. We actually want to focus all of our energy into the pads that are touching your inner thighs and think that you're directly pushing in right into those pads and the feet are just there for the ride. Don't be pushing, pulling, lifting the feet, pushing them down. They just want to be there resting. And as we're doing this, this will really help highlight all the hip adduction muscles rather than divert this exercise into other muscles.
Use this tip the next time you do hip adduction to make sure that this exercise is as safe and effective as possible.